Today we're taking some time out to visit our local National Trust property here at Speke Hall. People who don't know Speke Hall, it's a Tudor mansion on the banks of the Mersey. It's not far from Liverpool Airport. In fact, you can hear the planes going overhead when they're taking off from here. And there's even a viewing point over by the estate walk where you can actually see the planes. This is Speke Hall here.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Beautiful Tudor mansion that dates from the 1450s. If not sooner. And
got a little biplane going over there.
There you go.
Because we're so close to the airport.
Close to the airport. This is the rose garden. And if we had smelly vision now
usually
we'd be able to describe this.
You're able to go in, but it's actually locked.
No, it's locked.
It's more in the summer season, isn't it?
But the fragrance of the rose garden is beautiful at the moment.
All those mixed smells are lovely. The Beltry. It's an installation by what's her name? Serena Corder. And she quotes that she's interested in various ways how we think about ourselves in relation to the world around us, which is a very good concept and philosophy to have, because not a lot of people do it these days.
Q10. What is Q10?
To help you focus.
What's Q10? I'll do a focus with that.
Can you focus on the
I've got my glasses
in hand?
I can see where I'm going with my glasses on.
So, how many ceramic bells has she installed within the woodland here?
I haven't got a clue.
300, did it say? About 300, isn't there? You've got to find them, you know.
Well, they must be hidden, because there's nothing here.
Where are they?
It's just woodland, isn't it?
It's never just a woodland, Phil.
Yes, it
woodland is alive with all sorts of different insects and mammals and critters and bird life and trees. There they are.
In the tree.
In the tree. Oh, is it just the one tree?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was on quite a number of them.
And what's the purpose of them, Kath?
Well, she's actually used this in a way to explore how we feel about our relationship in the world to our environment.
Yes.
Connection between nature, plants and animals.
I see. Interesting.
So I suppose it's much about sound as well, you know, in the wind.
Oh, yes.
And the sound and the noise and the energy.
But it's very still today, isn't it?
It's very still. Because I suppose when it's quite windy, they're going to touch each other,
make a noise, of course.
Terracottas.
Of course.
To make quite a clanking. If you think about terracotta pots when you're planting, or you break one, it's quite a solid, clanking, organic sound, isn't it? So they would produce the same. You know what I think would have been even more spectacular would have to pick out more of these beautiful trees we've got here in our natural ancient woodland.
Yes.
And fill them. So it just looks a bit isolating on one tree.
I suppose it does.
I mean, it's quite pretty, it's nice. I like the concept and the philosophy behind it.
But is it a bit lost?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. Who knows?
I expected it to be full.
More interesting.
Beltries.
Yeah. Well, there you go. Let's go to the secret garden, Kath.
I love these ferns along here.
Yeah, they're lovely, aren't they? Ferns are great for damp areas like that, on the side of rivers,
No, it's the right conditions for them. They love ferns.
streams. Yeah.
It's very Jurassic Park here, isn't it? This little stretch, all this area. It's got
Suppose it is a
character.
bit, yeah.
I like it. I love it.
And here's the front lawn. That's Speke Hall. Beautifully manicured lawn, which I always call like green deserts. And here's the hall itself. There you go, Speke Hall. Beautiful Tudor mansion owned by Adelaide Watts. Actually, it was a Catholic home during the English Reformation, when Henry VIII dissolved the monasteries, ransacked them all for money, and persecuted Catholic priests, and installed into England the Church of England, as it became known, the Anglican Church, because he wanted to marry Anne Boleyn. And the church wouldn't let him, so he set up his own church and went against Catholicism. And so this was a Catholic family who were also persecuted. And if you go inside, have a look round, there's a priest hole where they used to hide the priests while still secretly practicing to be Catholics. So there's a little potted history for you. What do you reckon to that then?
Now, above there,
Yes?
every spring, they get crows nesting.
In the alcoves?
Yeah, all around that area there, back of the line.
Yeah. Lovely. This work, 25 yards long, was wholly built by Edward N. Esquire, 1598. So now you know. I'm loving the apple orchard here at Speke Hall. Got some lovely apples. That's a nice cottage. That's a rented cottage. I came up for rent not so long ago. I renovated it. Yes, look at these apples here, lovely. Russets. Russet apples. Some windfalls as well. Maybe we can pick some windfalls, Kath. The gardener did it say help yourself, didn't he?
Yeah, but windfall, not.
Yeah, windfalls. There's some windfalls there.
There's a lot of windfall actually.
Yeah.
I do think they scoop them up though, don't you? In the kitchen.
Yeah. They tend to concentrate on old English russet varieties, don't they? Some of these are fermented on the ground here.
I think old heritage varieties.
Yes.
Trying to revive, aren't they? And
Yeah.
keep popular.
So these are all apple trees here.
And traditional to the grounds, aren't they?
Yeah. Which is just great. It's just wondrous to be wandering around these places. You know,
We've been coming to Speke Hall for ages then, haven't we?
many years.
I mean, we remember it back in the 80s.
Yeah.
When we were young chickens.
I remember them planting these trees when there was nothing here again. So they're always developing new things. Lovely apples. Now
They're
is the
like a
time.
russet, these ones.
Yeah, to go
And
looking
these are,
for apples.
I don't know. They used to have the markers in to say what each individual tree was.
There's a windfall apple.
It's a bit of an orange pippin, huh? Or some kind. It's hard to say without.
I'm going to drop it again.
Yeah, I know they do use the produce in the kitchen here.
Yes.
And they do scoop up and sell to the public as well, don't they? And stuff. So.
Lovely. Let's go and get an apple
Now,
pie.
do they have an apple festival here?
No, I don't think so.
They should have one, shouldn't they? They should
I don't
develop
think they grow enough trees.
enough now.
Unlike
I'm
Erdig.
saying they should develop that.
Erdig have one.
That would be a nice concept
Wrexham.
for here. Erdig's brilliant.
That
They have a
apple
whole festival donated to it, don't
Yeah.
they? In October.
Yeah, but they grow loads of they grow loads of apples, don't they?
They do, yeah.
You know,
Oh, they've got a lot of apple trees, yeah.
That's a lovely property, isn't it?
That's really nice as well, yeah. That's a really nice one to go to, that, Erdig. And they treated the servants brilliantly there. One of them only ones that really cared for the servants, I think, to that extent.
Well, recorded.
Recorded, yeah.
They recorded it, didn't they?
Yeah. Because they've got photographs of them all.
All the servants throughout the ages.
And little poems written to them and various things.
Should we go and see if the shops,
Is it
the
still
cafe's
open?
still open?
Not sure if it is.
We'll go and have a look. I think they are. They've got signs outside anyway.
Okay, let's have a quick look.
Let's see if we can get a wet Nelly.
Cup of tea.
And a cup of tea. So how have you enjoyed today at Speke Hall, Kath?
Oh, I love it every time we come. I love the changing seasons at Speke Hall and the colours and the landscape. Trees are becoming golden and red, and it's nice to see the kitchen garden as well coming into winter.
You see the changes. It's the nicest time of the year, isn't it?
Time of year.
Autumn.
Yeah, and it's really lovely and warm today, actually.
Yeah.
The 3rd of October. And I love that installation.
Yeah.
I just wish there had been more of it. You know? Like you say, it could produce a funding, and it always is, as we very well know.
Yes.
But it's nice. Yeah, I like the philosophy behind it. It's lovely.
Great.
How have you enjoyed it?
No, it's been good. I'm going to enjoy this now. Bit of wet Nelly.
Oh yeah, traditional Liverpool recipe.
Yeah.
Secret recipe.
Yeah.
Long time.
And off they go.
Bon voyage.
Into the sunset. There you go. Good luck to them. That's what I say.